Guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with your WhatsApp account, but I'm not recommending it here. If possible, try to avoid this way. What I want you to know is that I want to, tell you the secret in which a lot of people make money with their WhatsApp. A lot of money. I'm talking about 50k, 100k. Why others make around 5k, 10k. So there is a secret to this thing, and all you need is to link. There are website, a lot of website out there that you can make use of. For instance, I have one right here. So all you have to do is you link your WhatsApp and you start getting paid. But not that once you link your WhatsApp, your content, your information, your messages, everything will be leaked out and you'll be putting those people at risk. Whether it's your families, your friends, classmates, uh, neighbors, whatever, you're putting them at a risk. And let's say, for instance, you decided to, create a new WhatsApp account. Just make sure that the account you're creating is not linked to your nil. Because you see, uh, those people, I don't know what they're using your WhatsApp to do, but I know it is a kind of an illegal activity, because maybe they're using it for illegal activity, and whenever they are caught, they will not be traced back to them. So in order to avoid this, they use other people's account. And let's talk about how people make a lot of money from it. So it's not from linking WhatsApp. As you can see here, you can earn up to 900 for linking your WhatsApp, and you can earn daily or up to 300 naira per day. So if you are to be earning 300 per day, it will take you almost 10 days to make 3000 naira, which is a very small amount. But how do others make up to 50k per day? So that method is by inviting people. You see, a lot of creators are out there, or a lot of influencer, they make a lot of money just by inviting people. Yes, as you can see here, it pays you 1,665 naira per person you invited. So they are out there inviting a lot of people, and not just this platform. They have a lot of sites. Like, for instance, if you can get 5 websites that allows you to link your WhatsApp and invite people, and they pays a lot. You see, if you are making 50k, 100k per each website, because you are inviting a lot of people, you'll be making a big amount of money in a matter of days. But here's the catch: if you are inviting people, try to warn them as much as possible. Don't just tell people that, hey, listen, you can make money just by linking WhatsApp, and at the end, that person's account get banned, or maybe he's suspected of illegal activity, or the worst case scenario, that person is arrested. So try as much as possible. My advice to anybody watching this video up to this point is that do not try this method. Please do not try this method, especially the invite tax. If you are going to link your WhatsApp, yeah, link your WhatsApp that is not make sure the number is not linked to your NIN, that is your national identification number, and make sure you do not share the link to people, whether it is people you know or people you don't know. Please make sure you don't share it, so that you will not end up be the reason why somebody will be in trouble. And if possible, don't use this method to make money. I know a lot of people out there are making money with this method, sharing it to their social media. A lot of people clicking on their link and making a lot of money from it. But I would not do that. When I'm right now, I don't even have an account. Yeah, I've tested it before. I even found out some of the things they do. I mean, I make a lot of research, and if I haven't noticed, they make a lot of changes in my settings. In my setting, yeah, when I link, and I even make a mistake of linking my personal account. So they made a lot of changes on my WhatsApp. And thank goodness it didn't even take up to 24 hours when I link it and unlink it, which means my account is safe for now. I don't know which type of information I've given them, but be careful out there. There are a lot of scammers that pays you. There are a lot of people that will pay you to use you. So be careful. That's all I have to talk about on this WhatsApp link stuff, all of this stuff about linking your WhatsApp to get paid. And please do not use this method. I'm gonna show you other method to make money without getting scam or scamming people. Thank you, and leave a like and subscribe.